Okay, so nakita kami ni Kim Chu again sa recording.
Yes!
So,
I love
okay.
it.
So, ang ganda ng album namin. So, wait for it for our duet song.
Yeah.
It's really nice, ha? Please,
Super nice.
please buy our single album. And, okay, guys, 10 question with Kim Chu. Pass. Okay.
Fast doc pala
Pass
to.
talk. Okay. Brown out. Brown out. Lights on, lights off.
Hoy! Grabe naman! Lights on or lights off? Lights on!
Kim Pao or Kim? Boss Pao.
Uy, grabe naman sa mga ganyan.
Ambush. Okay.
Ambush interview.
Flat or heels?
Heel.
Of course.
I love heels.
Chocolate or sex?
Siguro to sex or chocolate!
Guys, love.
Sakaling tapat!
Okay, what else?
Teka lang, didilim yung paningin ko, tita.
Booty?
Five
or,
na yun, tita.
Booty or pussy?
Booty or
Booty or boobsy?
booty or boobsy? Siyempre, boobsy.
Boobsy? Ano
Yes.
pinakamagandang part ng katawan ng body?
Ng body ko may eyes.
Very
Sheila
beautiful.
Princess.
And you know guys, pagod na pagod ako. Ay, pagod na pagod si Kim Chu. Flying to dahil yung kanyang alibi. Of course,
Yes,
pinapagod ko,
yes.
ina-stress ko. Watch alibi. Of course, the beautiful, nice, amazing Kim
Yes.
Chu. Kung lang ang vocabulary ko eh. Hindi lang alam ko sabihin. So, can you teach me what vocabulary I can... If I want to say beautiful, what else?
Potential.
May potential to. Na ano, na maloka.
Potential.
Potential maging actor. So,
Yes.
I'm so happy to work with you. And
Me
of
too.
course, as an actress now.
Yes! Yes, abangan niyo po talaga.
And ano? And,
So pretty, famous actress.
I want the famous award.
Yes, famous
So
award.
guys, please.
Bye.
Thank you, Kim Chu.
Thank you, tita.
See you.
Yeah, abangan niyo po kami.
Okay,
Saan?
saan kami magkikita? Magpapatuwa ka ng Papa Beauty.
Yes.
Bella.
Yes.
Okay, yan ka na. Hi, Bella. Ganda mo. Oh, ang daming boys dyan.
Ipagulo.
Part 2 na lang yun.
Okay, part 2 yun. Yung binulong ko, guys. Okay? So, guys, bye!